Hello, everyone! Today, you'll learn better ways to say common English phrases. Let's begin.
I'm busy right now.
I'm tied up at the moment.
It's very expensive.
It costs a fortune.
It's very cheap.
It's a real bargain.
I made a mistake.
I messed up.
Please be quiet.
Keep it down.
Be quick.
Step on it.
I understand completely.
That makes perfect sense.
Everything is fine.
Everything's under control.
Let's start.
Let's get the ball rolling.
I'm leaving now.
I'm heading out.
Hurry up.
Chop chop.
Excuse me.
Pardon me.
I'm sorry.
My bad.
It's okay.
No worries.
Hello.
What's up?
Good.
Amazing.
Goodbye.
I'm off.
Please.
Kindly.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
My pleasure.
I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
I'm very happy.
I'm over the moon.
I'm surprised.
I'm blown away.
I'm excited.
I can't wait.
I'm nervous.
I've got butterflies in my stomach.
I'm confused.
I'm a bit lost.
I'm sure.
I'm positive.
I don't care.
It doesn't matter to me.
That's interesting.
That's fascinating.
I don't believe it.
You've got to be kidding me.
I agree.
I couldn't agree more.
I think.
In my opinion,
I understand.
I get what you mean.
I like it.
I'm a big fan of it.
I don't like it.
It's not really my thing.
That's impossible.
There's no way.
Calm down.
Take it easy.
Wait a minute.
Hang on a second.
Let's go.
Let's get going.
See you later.
Catch you later.
Yes.
Absolutely.
No.
Not at all.
Maybe.
Perhaps.
It's okay.
No worries.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
How are you?
How have you been?
Good luck.
Go smash it.
I'm tired.
I'm exhausted.
I'm busy.
I've got a lot on my plate.
That's easy.
It's a piece of cake.
Be careful.
Watch out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.